In this video, we will tell you about the 10 best passive income streams that will make you rich. The biggest rule of personal finance says you must diversify your income streams, and for accomplishing that, you must take up passive incomes. And these 10 passive incomes are really special and very profitable too. Watch this video till the end, as this video is very important for you. Now let's start. 1. Investing in rental properties. Investing in rental properties can be a wise choice for generating passive income. Investing in rental units can provide a steady stream of income and the opportunity to grow your wealth through property ownership. When rental income exceeds expenses, a well-managed property can generate a consistent cash flow. In addition, real estate has the potential to increase in value over time, providing the opportunity for long-term financial growth. Being ready for obstacles such as tenant management and market fluctuations is crucial. For your benefits in real estate, you may use apps like Roofstock or Fundrise. 2. Investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks represent ownership in companies that consistently share a portion of their profits with shareholders. Investing in dividend stocks is a great strategy for generating passive income. These stocks typically belong to reputable companies that have a track record of consistent earnings. It is crucial to thoroughly investigate the financial health of a company, its dividend history, and the payout ratio, the percentage of earnings distributed as dividends, when evaluating dividend stocks. Investors often find high dividend yields attractive, but it's important to consider the potential risks they may indicate. You may consider stocks like IBM or Dynex Capital Incorporated. If you want to know amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich, then do press the subscribe button and also the like button. 3. Savings accounts with high interest rates. Passive income strategies can include this as a valuable component, providing an opportunity to generate returns on your cash reserves while maintaining easy access to your funds. These accounts usually offer higher interest rates compared to savings accounts provided by physical banks. High-interest savings accounts are attractive due to their safety, liquidity, and the potential to earn additional interest on your savings without the uncertainties of investing in stocks or bonds. They can be quite useful for building up a financial safety net or achieving short-term objectives. You may check out the CIT Bank. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. If you're looking to generate passive income, one great option is to lend your money to individuals or businesses through online platforms, bypassing traditional financial institutions. Investors have the opportunity to earn returns through interest payments on the funds they have lent. Investors may find that P2P lending provides the potential for higher returns when compared to traditional savings accounts or bonds. By spreading investments across multiple borrowers, it enables diversification and potentially lowers the risk associated with lending to a single borrower. You may use apps like Prosper or Lending Club for this purpose. 5. Consider developing an online course. Are you excelling in your studies and eager to pave the way for future students? Creating a timeless online course and providing valuable content through videos, quizzes, and resources can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. By adopting a subscription model, you can generate a steady stream of revenue while also creating a thriving community for active participation. Consider delegating non-essential tasks to save valuable time, while also focusing on enhancing your website's search engine optimization for natural expansion. Continuously enhance and broaden the range of courses available, while also introducing different pricing options. 6. Exploring the world of affiliate marketing. Are you familiar with the concept of affiliate marketing? This method entails promoting products or services and earning commissions on sales. By participating in affiliate programs that align with your area of expertise and utilizing content, blogs, or social media to generate traffic, you can easily generate additional income. You can create engaging and genuine content, suggesting products in a natural way. Utilize email lists and optimize for SEO to increase your online presence. Another strategy to consider is prioritizing high-converting products and expanding your range of partnerships. With the growth in sales, you can start earning passive income through consistent residual commissions. You may join the Amazon affiliate program. 7. Earnings from intellectual property royalties. Generating revenue through intellectual property royalties can be a reliable source of income over time. Once established, this passive income stream requires minimal ongoing effort, making it a potentially lucrative opportunity. Earnings from intellectual property, such as books, music, or patents, provide a steady stream of income without requiring active effort. Various individuals receive income from different sources such as book sales, song downloads or streams, and patent licensing. One way to generate passive income is by retaining ownership of your creations and allowing others to use them for a fee. Consider exploring various distribution channels and forming strategic partnerships to optimize your earnings potential. 8. Consider developing a mobile application. Are you skilled in coding and looking for part-time opportunities to generate passive income? To reduce risk, consider incorporating a user-friendly interface that simplifies navigation and enhances investment performance. Include features such as automatic portfolio rebalancing and investment tracking. There are various ways to generate income, such as offering subscription models, providing premium content, or forming partnerships with financial institutions. Consistently providing updates and actively engaging with the community will help build trust and encourage users to stick around. Make user data protection a top priority by implementing robust security measures. 9. Consider starting a blog that incorporates ads or affiliate links. Starting a blog with ads or affiliate links can be a clever strategy to generate passive income. Advertising platforms such as Google AdSense or Amazon Associates have the potential to generate income from the traffic on your blog. Advertisements generate income through clicks or views, whereas affiliate links allow you to earn a commission when someone makes a purchase using your referral link. Begin by selecting a niche that truly ignites your passion and craft top-notch, valuable content that resonates with your audience. Emphasize the importance of generating organic traffic by implementing effective SEO strategies, leveraging social media promotion to engage with your audience, and actively networking within your niche community. 10. Adding real estate investment trusts to your investment portfolio. Investing in this manner can be a profitable strategy to broaden your investment portfolio and generate income without much effort. REITs are companies that specialize in owning, operating, or financing income-producing real estate in different sectors, including residential, commercial, and industrial properties. However, as with any investment, REITs come with risks associated with market fluctuations and industry challenges. It is essential to thoroughly research a REIT's management quality, historical performance, and the economic sectors they focus on. Apps like Realty Mogul, Ground Floor can help you with this task of investing in REIT. That's all for today. Now you know all the best and top passive income streams that will make you rich, and that too very quickly. To know more amazing tips and tricks to get rich, just press the subscribe button and also the like button. This video is especially made for the people who think that they are very poor and can do nothing in life. Actually, these passive income ideas are suggested by millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Larry Page, Elon Musk, and all others. All the prominent financial experts like Sir Dave Ramsey and many others also suggested all the people to follow these passive incomes. These can make you rich very quickly. Your main income may not be able to make up with the income you will receive from these income streams if you continue to do these for at least 2 years. If you loved watching this video and also learned something new, then just hit the like button. This motivates us to make more amazing financial videos. Share this video with all of your friends and family members. Add a comment below if you have any queries or suggestions. Thanks for watching this video till here.